Understanding lower back stiffness.
Lower back stiffness is a common issue caused by prolonged sitting, poor posture, or overexertion. Tight muscles and lack of movement can restrict mobility, leading to discomfort. Recognizing the causes is the first step toward relief. Fortunately, you can ease stiffness with simple stretches at home, without any special equipment.
Benefits of stretching for your lower back.
Stretching can help reduce muscle tension, improve blood flow, and increase flexibility in the lower back. Regular stretching also promotes better posture and helps prevent future stiffness. Incorporating gentle movements into your daily routine can offer noticeable relief and support overall back health.
Safe warm-up before stretching.
Before stretching, it's important to gently warm up your body. Try walking in place, swinging your arms, or doing light hip circles for a few minutes. Warming up gets your blood flowing and prepares your muscles, making stretches more effective and reducing the risk of strain.
Effective stretches for lower back stiffness.
A few key stretches can help ease lower back tightness at home. Child's pose gently stretches your spine and hips. Knee to chest stretch relaxes lower back muscles. Cat-cow stretch improves flexibility and relieves tension. Perform each movement slowly, holding for 20 to 30 seconds, and repeat as needed.
Tips for safe and lasting relief.
Listen to your body and avoid bouncing or forcing any stretch. Stop if you feel pain, not just discomfort. Combine stretching with regular movement and good posture habits throughout your day. If stiffness persists or worsens, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice.